To add your Bank of America debit or credit card to Apple Pay, follow these steps. Open the Wallet app. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Add a card. In the Wallet app, tap the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new card. You will be prompted to scan your Bank of America debit or credit card using your iPhone's camera. If you prefer, you can manually enter your card details by selecting Enter Card Details manually. Verify your card. After entering your card information, you will need to verify your identity. Bank of America may send you a verification code via SMS or email. Enter the code when prompted to complete the verification. Agree to terms and conditions. Once verified, review and agree to Apple Pay's terms and conditions. Complete setup. After successfully adding the card, your Bank of America card will be available in Apple Pay. You can now use it for in-store purchases, online transactions, and in apps that accept Apple Pay. Use Apple Pay. To make a payment, hold your iPhone near the card reader and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode.